May 14th. Convective impacts today are centered from the central high plains into the lower Missouri Valley, while a separate upper trough keeps unsettled conditions and scattered operational delays across the northeast and central Appalachians. Kansas City, Wichita, portions of the Chicago arrival corridor, and the New York Center airspace will carry the highest weather-related routing concerns through tonight, as a blocked upper air pattern keeps systems moving slowly and sharp thermal contrasts in place. Across the West Coast, marine influence remains the dominant aviation factor, with widespread morning stratus along coastal California from the Bay Area through Los Angeles and San Diego, producing recurring IFR to low MVFR approaches before inland mixing improves conditions late morning. The Pacific Northwest stays comparatively stable, although a passing disturbance over the northern Rockies is generating scattered convection from eastern Idaho into western Montana, with localized mountain obscuration, gusty outflow winds, and moderate turbulence near convective buildups around the Salt Lake and Bozeman corridors. Through the Rockies and Four Corners, deep daytime heating and steep lapse rates are producing high-based thunderstorms from New Mexico into eastern Colorado and the Texas Panhandle. Expect virga, dry microburst potential, and abrupt wind shifts around Albuquerque, Amarillo, and Denver area arrivals this afternoon, with terrain-driven turbulence increasing below flight level 250. Farther east into the plains, a sharpening lee trough and dry line are focusing the primary convective concern from western Texas through central and eastern Kansas. Instability is strong, but forcing remains somewhat localized, so storm coverage may initially appear isolated before rapidly intensifying into supercell structures capable of large hail, severe turbulence, and strong outflow boundaries. Wichita and Kansas City sit near the most favorable overlap of moisture, instability, and sheer late day into tonight, with deviations likely expanding east towards St. Louis and western Illinois after sunset as the low-level jet strengthens. Across the Midwest, warm and breezy conditions dominate much of Iowa, Missouri, and Illinois ahead of the plains disturbance. Even outside thunderstorms, expect moderate low-level turbulence and occasional mechanical chop under stronger southwest flow. Chicago and Indianapolis may see evening arrival spacing issues tied more to upstream convection and reroutes than direct terminal weather early in the day. In the northeast, the departing upper trough continues to rotate scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms from western Pennsylvania through upstate New York into New England. Conditions improve gradually south of Washington and Philadelphia, but pockets of MVFR ceilings, wet runways, and lingering mountain obscuration continue through the Catskills, Adirondacks, and northern Appalachians. Boston and New York metro terminals remain vulnerable to short-duration flow restrictions under passing convection. Across the southeast and Gulf Coast, the atmosphere is comparatively quieter beneath broad ridging, although typical sea breeze development across Florida will still trigger scattered afternoon thunderstorms near Orlando, Tampa, Miami, and Jacksonville, with brief IFR visibility, lightning delays, and localized holding near coastal arrival gates. Gulf moisture remains deep, but organized severe weather is limited, keeping most southern hubs in manageable summer-like operations today. That's the National Aviation weather picture for today. If this briefing helps your flight planning, consider subscribing for the daily operational outlook. Have the best flight, and we'll see you tomorrow.